Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how this is going to work. But we are going to, guys, work on a candy cane experiment. So I have 6 solutions here. All right, let me just move my mouse. That might be easier. Okay. All right, so we have 6 solutions, and let me just tell you what they are. All right, so I have water. So for every experiment, especially for something like this, you have to have a controlled substance. So what we're going to do is we're going to take candy canes and stick them into different solutions and watch them over the next 3 days. So we're starting it today. We'll look at it again. I'll do an update video tomorrow morning, and throw that in your assignments. And then on Friday, the same thing. All right. And then if you stick around, well, never mind. It'll be the same. So I'll just give you a video. So we have candy canes and we have solutions. So we have a water solution that is a controlled solution. So that way we know what water will do. We know what will happen if you put it in any solution. Then I have sugar water, which I need to stir, but I'll have to stir it with a candy cane. All right. You can see the sugar at the very bottom. All right. This is fingernail polish remover. All right. And fingernail polish remover has acetone in it. And when I've done this with Peeps before, it completely eats the sugar off of it. This is salt water, which I have already stirred. And then now we're going to put in 2 more solutions. So I've got vinegar. So I'm going to get to smell this for a few days. Great, right? So this is just apple cider vinegar. So you want to make sure that you put about the same amount in each cup. My husband's going to be so happy about this, let me tell you. All right, so that is our apple cider vinegar. Woo, stinky, stinky. All right, and then we're going to put Pepsi. Okay. My husband's going to come up the stairs and be like, wow. So it's just a little shy, but of the same amount, but it'll be fine. It's pretty much the same amount. All right, so what we're going to do is I have unwrapped a candy cane as far as I could. I broke one, so I'll have to bring another one up here. So that's why I'm not going to completely unwrap them. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to hook the candy cane around the side and then set it in, okay? And I didn't label this, but I know that this is Pepsi, okay? So think about it. Pepsi has, you can see all the carbonation bouncing around, but Pepsi has corn syrup, sugar, carbonation. It has caramel coloring in it. So we'll see what happens to this candy cane after a couple of days, okay? And tomorrow we will be doing a update. All right, so then I'm going to put my candy cane in the apple cider vinegar. And then I am going to put this in the water, but I will go get another candy cane. All right. So I'm going to go on and put this in there, but I know that I need to have another candy cane. Actually, that might actually just work if I leave it like that. Okay. Then my salt water. I'm going to give it a stir. All right. So that is in there. And then my fingernail polish remover, which I'm really interested to see what that's going to do. And then the sugar. And I'm going to, whoa, it's like syrup down there. I'm going to stir this up real quick. All right, so what I want you to do is on a piece of paper, try to stir it up. What I want you to do is on a piece of paper, I want you to make predictions. I want you to list out your predictions. And we might even talk about them real quick on our Christmas party on Friday at 11. We'll talk a little bit about those predictions. But predict what is going to happen, all right? So what is going to happen, that smells lovely because it is, so the sugar is already where I started around. I probably need to make a new one of that. All right, so what is going to happen to these candy canes? And if you look, I've already put that in the apple cider vinegar. there's an indention. You can't really see, but yeah, a little bit. You can see that indention. Let's see, where's my water? Yep, and if you look at the bottom of the water, it's already settling out of there. So I'll just leave him in here and I won't get a new one because that'll ruin the experiment. Fingernail polish remover, same. So just from that, just those few minutes. Whoa, look at the Pepsi. It probably, I'm going to say, has the most done to it already. So that is exciting. You guys, did I show that? I like how much it's already gotten off of it compared to the water. Look at how much difference the Pepsi is versus the water. All right. Okay, so make a prediction of what do you think is going to happen. What do you think, knowing what we've just seen, what's going to happen? So don't forget, we have Pepsi, we have water. I'll list them in the page that I'll set this up. Pepsi, water, salt water, sugar water, fingernail polish remover, and then vinegar. All right, list them on a piece of paper. Tell me what you think is going to happen, and then I will do another video, an update for tomorrow. Okay, let me know what happened, what you think is going to happen. Bye.